Making door communication with Zeidler Mobile. This is how quickly you replace the HT311 in-house telephone with a new Zeidler IQ HTA and then commission the Zeidler app. As a first step, switch off the power supply. Then remove the receiver. Take hold of the lower part of the housing and remove it, starting from the bottom and moving upwards. Keep a record of how the coloured wires are assigned to the terminal markings for connecting the new IQ in-house telephone at a later stage. Take notes or a photo with your mobile phone. Release the wires from the terminals and then unscrew the lower part of the unit. You have now completed the preparations for installing the Zeidler in-house telephone. Before starting to install the new Zeidler IQ HTA, fill or cover any existing drill holes. Align the bottom part of the new Zeidler IQ HTA in-house telephone and screw it into place. Now use the mobile phone photo or the notes you made earlier to connect the wires. The terminal markings are on the side of the terminal blocks. Then connect the required power supply. Tuck the wires in next to the support bar. Press the upper part of the housing of the new in-house telephone onto the lower part. Put the receiver in place. Finally, switch the power supply back on. The IQ in-house telephone will now start up automatically. This takes about 30 seconds. The process is completed as soon as the buttons stop flashing. Afterwards, start up the Zeidler app. You only need 3 things to commission the Zeidler app: name and password of the desired Wi-Fi network, the smartphone of the subsequent user with Bluetooth activated, and the Zeidler app on this smartphone. Launch the app and click Start Setup. You now scan the QR code under the receiver of the IQ in-house telephone and then hold down the button with the light symbol for 3 seconds. The button with the key symbol starts flashing. You confirm this in the Zeidler app. The Bluetooth function is now activated for 1 minute. The yellow button with the light symbol flashes. In the Zeidler app menu, click on Establish Connection. The smartphone is now connected to the IQ in-house telephone via Bluetooth for 10 minutes. The IQ in-house telephone now searches for the available Wi-Fi networks. The available Wi-Fi networks are displayed in the app. You select the network you require, enter the password, and confirm the pairing process. The light button stops flashing, the Bluetooth connection is closed, and the Zeidler app is ready for use. Finally, you should carry out a function test. The Zeidler IQ is supplied with a user license for 4 smartphones. Once the first smartphone is connected to the IQ in-house telephone, you can add up to 3 more. In the menu item Manage Other Devices of the first smartphone, create a QR code for the next smartphone. Install the Zeidler app on the other smartphones as well. You start the setup on the other smartphone and scan the QR code on the screen of the first one. Complete the setup on the first smartphone. The other smartphone is now connected to the Zeidler IQ in-house telephone. Finally, carry out a function test. Further information on the installation and connection of older in-house telephones is available from your local Zeidler representative, to be found at www.zeidler.com/contact. Please note that Zeidler IQ in-house telephones require an additional supply unit for the Wi-Fi connection.